West Bengal. West Bengal, the 294 assembly constituencies, the polling shall be held in two phases. In the first phase, 152, and the second phase, 142. The date of poll shall be 23rd of April and 29th of April. And the counting shall be together for all, that is 4th of May, 2026. In regards to the West Bengal elections to be held in two phases instead of 8 phases earlier, the Commission has held detailed deliberations, and in its considered opinion, it was found necessary to reduce the number of phases and bring it down to an extent where it is convenient for everybody. With regards to the police officers who were involved in the violence in earlier elections, the list has been sort of, as is known to the media during our visit to the West Bengal, and necessary action as per law shall be taken. With regards to the supplementary list, as per the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, the learned judges working under the directions of the Honorable High Court of Calcutta would be bringing out this supplementary list. And as and when the supplementary elections in India are held as per the Constitution, the law and the instructions. राजनीतिक हिंसा और चुनाव को प्रभावित करने वाले कोई भी इंड्यूसमेंट को चुनाव आयोग बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा और ऐसे करने वालों के खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी. Undertaking this responsibility in the form of special intensive revision with regards to the political statements by certain political leaders or political parties, the Commission does not wishes itself to engage in such dialogues. With regards to the decisions of certain governments, just before the Model Code of Conduct has come into force, I have already explained earlier that in a democratic setup, the state and central governments, in their own wisdom, can take any policy or any other decision which they feel is appropriate. But once the Model Code of Conduct comes into operation, any decision which affects the outcome of the elections or works in a way of inducement is not allowed, and the Model Code of Conduct has come into force just now. जहां तक चुनावी प्रक्रिया का सवाल है, elections in India are held as per the Constitution, the law and the instructions. राजनीतिक हिंसा और चुनाव को प्रभावित करने वाले कोई भी इंड्यूसमेंट को चुनाव आयोग बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा और ऐसे करने वालों के खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी.